Hi there, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe, and in this quick crochet lesson I will show you how to triple crochet. The stitch that is referred to as triple crochet in US crochet terminology is called double treble crochet in UK terms. I just used it to crochet part of the leaf for my lily of the valley, so I thought that's a brilliant opportunity to show you how to do it. We begin with 2 yarn overs over our crochet hook, and then we insert our hook in the stitch we want to crochet. I will only crochet into the back loop, but normally you would crochet into both these loops. Then we pick up the yarn again, pull it through. So now we have 4 loops on our hook, and we pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 of the loops, pick it up again, pull it through the next 2 loops, and pick it up a 3rd time and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So let's try it again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the stitch you want to crochet, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick it up again, pull it through the first 2 loops on your hook, pick it up again and pull it through the next 2 loops, and pick it up a 3rd time and pull it through the 2 remaining loops. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and happy creating!